Hello and guten Tag. This is a make and modify quick tip. Sometimes you want to put something in the vise, like this piece of a screw, and hold it in place and then maybe cut top here. So then you have the problem you can't push it too hard or the threads will suffer. Yeah, sometimes you have other things which are not really good clampable and you need some custom jaws for your vise. So here's what I use for this. This is some Polymorph thermoplastic. All you need is this, some hot water and your shape you want to hold in place. So let's do this. Add some boiling water. If the plastic turns clear, it's ready to be used. Then you can take some out. Still hot. And shape it. Then put it into the vise. Not totally clamping it. And now just shape it and wait for it to cool down. So now that it has completely cooled down, we can clamp it even further, and then it's rock solid, more solid than my table, and then we can easily perform our cut. You can always remelt these brackets and shape them to another shape. Just add them back into hot water, wait for a while. If your vise did not come with some jaws like mine, then you can just make some soft jaws with this plastic easily. Just wait for it to remelt. Then use a business card, clamp it, shape it. While cooling down, you can always cut it. Open it, put it off, and here we are with some new soft jaws. As mentioned, you find some purchasing links down in the description, and if you liked it, you could give me a thumbs up or even subscribe. See ya!